let's compare the Joosen dripper hose with my Joey's Garden hose. So this is the Joosen dripper hose. It's, as the name implies, a watering hose, basically. So you connect this up to your faucet, and then you can run it through your garden. I've got it going through my containers over here into some of these smaller plants. And when you switch the hose on, it's going to drip water out over the whole length. You can bury this in the garden too if you want. It's a great way to water at the roots. Very efficient. I like that it seems to use less water than a sprinkler to water, and you can see, my plants are just going crazy. So I think they're getting plenty of water here. Now the Joey's Garden hose here are very different. This is a collapsible hose, so it's very long. You can see it's going all the way down my patio over here when it is pressurized. But as soon as you switch that pressure off, this hose actually coils itself up, essentially, like it folds up, and it occupies a very small space. So I think that's super cool. It's good for watering things all the way across your patio. I've got my big concrete patio here, so crossing that and watering other stuff is great, but then it's so compact, it just folds up when you're not using it or when it's the off season.